Easy enough. Looks like stainless. Instructions are actually quite clear. There is a spot to put the factory fog lights in. Tells you everything to do. Alright, next up, this installs with the smaller set of bolts through there. I already put my factory fog lights in there. This thing was extremely light to pick up here and throw it on myself. And now you just have to put the last bit of hardware on these studs that go through the frame horns. So on all 8 of these, put the regular washer on, then the lock washer, and then the nut. 2 on the inside on each side, 2 on the outside on each side. These bottom bolts down here are easier to reach with an extension, because then you have this cutout here to be able to turn your ratchet. If you don't use an extension, then the ratchet runs into that.